Right. Good afternoon, all of you. So, welcome to the Faculty Development Program on AI tools for teaching and research. So, boost your productivity by 10x. So, we're going to start this session now, right? So, the first presentation that I'm showing you is made with, Gamma. This is the AI tool. Okay. So, today's session is for 2.5 hours, right, all of you? So, in 2.5 hours, we'll be learning in the first half, that is from 3 to 4:15, we'll be exploring about content creation. So how to create super content using AI, and then we'll be exploring about what are the various tools and technologies for creating presentations. And also there are different aspects you do in training and research or teaching and research. So how we can use AI for that. And also we'll be learning in the second session about how to generate quizzes, interactive quizzes, not like Google Forms, okay, or other simple quizzes. So we are going to use advanced AI tools for quiz making, right, all of you. So this is what we are going to learn today, and this is a practical session, hands-on session. I want everyone to keep your laptops ready. Okay, so you need to work on your laptop. So please work along with me so that we can explore more. So with us now we have total 25 people join, and from different parts of India. So I appreciate all of you who joined today to use AI for teaching and research. Okay, so this is about quick introduction about how we are going to learn today. Tomorrow we will see important aspects such as image generations, how to create image generation. So for example, you want to create some image, so how to generate, what are the various tools for generating images, and then we will see how to do the research, right, all of it. So in the day two we are going to explore image generation, writing reports, how to write research reports. Okay, right. So in the second day we'll be learning about image generation and also how to create wonderful research papers or reports, so you can learn documentation. So I'll be showing you how you can use AI tools for doing that. Even how to create your lecture notes without spending a lot of time. Okay, and also lesson plans. So everything I'll be teaching here, all of you. So first we'll start with what exactly we are exploring. See, all of you, the main goal of this FDP is to increase your productivity or to boost your productivity, okay, by 10 times. Okay, so why today? Because we see today there are different technologies such as AI, generative AI, generative adversarial networks for image generation. So I know that some of us here are not from technical, so we are here from different backgrounds. Okay, right, all of you. So we are from different backgrounds, right? Like from science background, engineering background, technical background, even from hotel management background, right, all of you. So these are the different backgrounds from which today join. So I don't want to go deep into technical things. Okay, so today's session and tomorrow's session is how to use the tools. Okay, that is the main goal. Okay, for your training and research. Right. So all of you, quick introduction about me. I am Bapuji Kanpati. Completed my master's from IIT Bombay in 2009. After that, I worked in various organizations. Tech Mahindra, now previously it was Satyam. I closely work with Satyam team for their CSR projects, and also I was associated with IIT Kanpur to implement a project in collaboration with wireless companies from Singapore. And then I moved to other companies, energy company, and I worked as a product head. Later, I started my career as a trainer and also entrepreneur. So far, I trained 20,000 students in AI, data science, Internet of Things. Okay, so I help students, corporate like Intel employees I trained, and also I train thought focus freshers. So I help both students, corporate, and also entrepreneurs, teachers. So I conducted several FDPs also in colleges. Mainly the focus is hands-on. I'm a certified IABAC data science trainer. So I run two companies. One is Huebits, another one is Appleton Innovations. So Huebits is a company which is now working for uh, giving industry experience to the students and also creating products in AI data science. Okay, this is the brief bio about me, all of you. So some of you might be knowing about me, right? So all of you, today we see there are three important things. Okay, there are many other things are there, but why people are talking more about AI or machine learning? So if you see any YouTube video, first thing is you'll be getting some ad saying that AI or data science. Okay, so there is a buzzword, right? So the AI is a buzzword or data science is a buzzword. Okay, why today we see this word continuously? Everyone is using, even illiterate or layman's also using AI, and they want to join their children into the AI diploma or AI engineering. Okay, so what's happening in the industry? So in the industry, it all started with one of the important thing, that is generative AI. Generative AI, all of you. So generative AI is actually you can generate text, you can generate content, you can generate code, program. Okay, if you want to write build some application, you can generate the application, you can generate blog, you can generate your lesson plan. So that is the power of generative AI. So the generative AI, back, if you see what is the backbone of generative AI, that is large language models. There are many large language models. For example, if you see ChatGPT. ChatGPT is actually the product from OpenAI. Okay, that is actually GPT-4, GPT-3. Okay, some of you might be using it. And chatbots. There are many chatbots today. AI-powered chatbots. You can interact. You can actually ask questions. Even chatbots are helping for automation today. There are AI agents are automating everything. Okay, without human intervention, right, all of you? And also GAN, this is another important thing. Image generation, there are different tools developed. So basically the foundation is actually GAN, generative adversarial networks. Through that, actually image generation is happening. So LLMs are generating text and text related things like code, text, or mathematical equations. Chatbots, they can provide interactive, you can interact like a human being. Okay, so with that chatbot, so that chatbot can give you different answers. It can be a personal companion sometimes. And image generation. So we are going to use these three. How we can use these three? Okay, in teaching and research, that is our main goal, all of you. With that, we'll start with the first part, like generative AI. So in generative AI, there are different models we have. So applications, we can say, like ChatGPT, or you can say Gemini, Microsoft Copilot. Okay, so these are the some of the famous products existing, and also Indian product also. There are many products, but the backend, actually most of the models are very similar kind of models they are using. Okay, I am not going to talk much about this technical background, okay, for now, right, all of you. So what I do now is, so we'll quick go to the some important aspects, such as how to create content. So using AI, most of you might be using AI for content generation, but how effectively we can generate content? Okay, that is important, all of you. So there are tools like ChatGPT. So most of you are familiar with ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is very helpful for different aspects. If you know how to use ChatGPT properly, you can write a journal, every 2 months you can write a research paper. Okay, so I will tell you how. It is very simple. Okay, the 1 week work can be done just in 3 minutes or 10 minutes. That is possible with the ChatGPT. Okay, so I'll be showing you how you can use full potential of ChatGPT in this program. And also there is another product. There are many products. I am not showing all the products here. I'm showing some products. Jasper AI, it can generate blogs, emails, okay, and reports. This Jasper AI is mainly for marketing. Copy.ai is also marketing. These two are useful for blogs, emails. This one also mainly useful for social media content generation and also for creating marketing materials and book generation. Suppose you want to create an ebook. Generally, to write 50 pages book, you need a lot of time. Okay, so but you can do it in 3 minutes. How to create a book in 3 minutes? Okay, suppose you are a professor from management, okay, and you want to create AI for hotel management, okay, a book, and you want to release the book in your college. You can do it in 3 minutes and you can release. Okay, and suppose in your college somebody asked, the management asked you to create the lecture notes. You can create by using these ubooks within minutes. Within minutes your lecture notes will be ready. Okay, and you can edit and you can insert images and you can create that generated content for your use. You can customize it. Okay, all of you. So these are the three things, like some are useful for content creation, some are useful for blogs, emails, and reports. Ubooks is mainly for creating books, mainly non-fiction books from a single prompt. Just give a prompt, you will get a book. Okay, so I'll be showing you how to do that. We are going to do practicals on these now. Okay, all of you. Right, so we'll go to this first, ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, there are different things. You can create image. Okay, you can create image with the ChatGPT. You can search the web. You can get the web results. Okay, you can write some text and you can rewrite, summarize. You can trim the text. You can trim the text, and also you can do deep research. Suppose you want to write a paper, okay, research paper or a journal article or thesis. Okay, so already somebody written some paper on it, but you want to write more better paper. But how I can write more better than that paper? Okay, so for that you can use this run deep search, deep research. All of you, I'll be showing you how to use it. And also for think for longer, this is mainly for analysis. Okay, all of you. So I'll be showing you some aspects of this ChatGPT for the beneficial of teaching and research community. Okay, so hope all of you are following, right? Okay, any difficulties? No difficulties, right, all of you? So all of you, I'll be showing you a few prompts. For example, you are teacher, okay, and you want to create end semester question paper. Suppose how to create end semester question paper. How many of you used ChatGPT for creating your question papers or sample questions? Please raise your hand. How many of you used ChatGPT for creating question paper? I see some of you are raising hands. Others, please raise your hand if you have done it. It is no wrong, to generate questions. Okay, but you have to give your syllabus, what you have taught. Okay, that is important. Without giving what you have taught, you cannot generate questions. Okay, ChatGPT will be generating randomly. Okay, what you need to do is you have to customize ChatGPT to generate according to your requirement. That is what we need. Okay, so I'll be showing you one simple concept here. Suppose I'm teaching, I assume as a myself as a teacher. Suppose I'm teaching somewhere. Okay, so let us see the syllabus. Here I have a syllabus. So I have the syllabus of one college. This is randomly downloaded. Okay, it is not actually. It is a randomly downloaded questions paper. So this is not a question paper. This is a syllabus. Okay, copy. Suppose this is syllabus copy, all of you. Okay, you have this syllabus copy. Now you want to generate questions for these units. So how to generate? Just copy this. Just copy this. you need this particular syllabus. So just you need to copy the syllabus, unit 1, unit 2, whatever you taught. Just I'm showing one use case. Suppose I want to generate for these 2 units. If you have 3 units, generate for 3 units, or 5 units, 5 units. Okay. Now go to ChatGPT. All of you search for ChatGPT. You will see ChatGPT here. Click on search for ChatGPT. Try now. See, all of you, it is always suggested to use by login. Okay, if you don't log in, you don't get proper results and you don't save the results. Okay, if you want to save the results and you want to use later, okay, then it is always suggested to sign in. Okay, so I'll be logging to my ChatGPT account. You have to sign up. There is an option called continue with Google, continue with phone, or continue with Microsoft account, or continue with Apple. So it is always good to go with the Google because most of you will have Google accounts, right? You can use continue with Google, all of you. So click on continue with Google and select your mail ID. Select your mail ID and click continue and give your name. So I'll be giving my name Huebits Tech and give the birthday. You can give any birth date here and then click continue. Now I'm ready. So ChatGPT ask away, don't share sensitive information, check your facts. Okay, right. Okay, let's go. So hope all of you are ready with this. Okay, there are tools as I told you: create image, search the web, write code, run deep search. So I'll be showing you those options also, how to use them. Okay, right. So before moving, I want everyone to at least take some content like this. It is better. Now create 5 marks questions. 5 marks questions for the subject Python for data science. For example, this is my subject, Python for data science. And you can start as data science teacher. Create 5 marks questions for the subject Python for data science. The syllabus is given unit wise. Generate 5 questions for each unit. And then paste your syllabus here. Right. So all of you can see, as a data science teacher, create 5 marks questions for the subject Python for data science. The syllabus is given unit wise. Generate 5 questions for each unit. Okay. So this is simple, right? So there are total 3 units. So you'll be getting total 15 questions. Okay. And level questions level. You can mention what is the level of questions. Medium level questions. Right? And if you want to show beginner level, you can mention beginner level. Okay. So this is the prompt I have given. It is always good to give some more content when you want to generate better results. Okay, all of you. So don't use just random generated questions. It is not useful for you to use. Okay. If you want to use, basically you have to provide what you have, and from that you have to generate. And now, you can try this prompt. You can see now. So according to the units, you can see unit 1, Python data structures, groups and modules. Explain the difference between built-in and user-defined data structures in Python with examples. Okay. And these are the theoretical questions. Most of them are theoretical questions, but your college asks you to include numericals also. Okay, but numericals are not here. Right, all of you? So you got unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, right? How many of you are able to do this? Anyone is able to do this? Please raise your hand if you're able to do this. Anyone tried? Yes. See, I love people doing these things. Okay. If you're not doing, generally, it is required for everyone to do it. We have total here 30 people. Okay. I want to see everyone is raising hands. Okay, because this is practical session of you, hands-on session, right? And you'll be getting benefited through this, right? Yeah. Yes. Okay. Right. Okay. Okay. Nice. What about others? Yeah. Great. Okay. Yeah. Actually, my presentation is in full screen mode only. What you need to do is you need to just adjust that. Okay. Otherwise, I'll stop my video so that you will get more better. Okay. Right. Basically, it should be a full screen only. Please adjust your screen. So there is an option. Oh, okay, full screen mode option. So you can use that. Yeah. Thank you. Right. So all of you, we got the questions here. So irrespective of subject, I use Python for data science. You might be using hotel management, catering. Your subjects, right? I am not expert in your subject. Okay. Right. Now, suppose you want to include some numericals, so you can write include numerical questions also. So then it will automatically include numerical questions in the above generated questions. So you can see here, so numerical, so you will get some numerical questions also, some numerical questions, some conceptual, right? So the combination of both numerical and conceptual. And if you feel that the difficulty is still medium, okay, so then you can make it more advanced. If you say I need advanced, then it will be creating advanced questions. You can try that. I need advanced, then you will be getting advanced all of you. Okay, like this you can use ChatGPT. Not only this, there are different things you can do with this. For example, you want to generate MCQ. I want to generate simply as a GATE data science teacher, generate tough GATE data science MCQ with answers. So you can see tough GATE level questions. You can see let X be a continuous random variable PDF. Okay, and the variance of X is. So this GATE is one exam, all of you. GATE is a exam for entry into IITs to study masters there. And there is a paper called as Data Science and AI. Okay, AI, DA paper. Suppose you want to practice more questions. Basically, you don't get questions, right? Because there are only 2 exams completed so far. So you'll get only few questions, but you want to generate more questions. AI can do that for you. Okay. So you can see here the answers also, explanation also here. So you can see if you want more tough questions, you can get more tough questions also. In this way, actually, you can simplify your work, all of you. So if you are working, as a faculty or as a trainer or a teacher or some other, maybe from corporate trainer, if you want to make it more better, you can do it by using this ChatGPT. Okay. Hope all of you are following. Then we'll move forward because we have many other things we have to see. Right. So we have seen how to create sample questions for end semester. And also there are other things like, for example, you want to generate for each unit, create 5 questions worth 5 marks each. You can do that. And also MCQ, you can see MCQ also. Lesson plans, how to create a lesson plan for a unit on subject. For example, you are teaching marketing. You can keep here marketing. Okay. That includes a variety of activities and assessments. So for example, I'll be just generating. So I'll be copying this prompt. Right. Just give me 1 second. So this is a prompt. Suppose this is a prompt. Okay, now all of you, you want to create, suppose, lesson plan. Okay, create a lesson plan for unit on supply AI for catering hotel management. Okay, so this is you want to generate for this. Create a lesson plan for a unit on AI for catering hotel management that includes a variety of activities and assessments, and takes into account the following paragraph where I provide a brief introduction. So I don't know about that, but I will be writing management, hotel, catering, AI, tools. Just I am giving some random because I am not expert in this catering and hotel management. Just I am giving something here, and you have to provide some description about what skills and knowledge your student is having. Based on that, it will be generating this lesson plan. Okay, right. So this is the lesson plan. We changed this. We included this unit name, and also we included this description. And now you can see the results of your lesson plan. So this is a lesson plan for your unit. Unit title, AI for catering, target learners, students with backgrounds in management, hospitality, catering, and basic exposed to AI tools. Duration 10 to 12 hours. Learning objectives, what are the learning objectives? Unit breakdown. Okay, so introduction to AI in hospitality, customer service chatbots, predictive analytics for hotel occupancy, AI in catering, AI in personalization, menu services, ethics and privacy in workspace. So you can see like these are the different topics in this particular unit, and duration, activity types, case study and discussion, build a simple chatbot using it. See, if you are able to do these things, see all of you, you are making your class very attractive, and students will be very energetic in this particular subject, because you are using different things like participation. The case study is participation, right? And you'll be using some Hilton's funny robot or something. Okay, and you are showing how AI is used in hospitality, and you'll be showing some project demo for this customer service chatbot. If you're able to do that, basically your entire classroom, they will be actively participating in your training or teaching, and ultimately you'll be getting a very good reputation in the college or maybe the organization you are working in. Okay, right. So this is how you can create a lesson plan. Okay, Lafi. And sample activities also, you can see what are the sample activities you can use. Okay, because we asked ChatGPT for activities. Okay, so it is creating activities: activity 1, activity 2, activity 3, activity 4, and assessment plan also, like weightage, how you are going to give the weightage, skills integrated, resources required, and any optional extensions. Right, field trip or virtual tour of an AI powered hotel, guest speaker from a hotel tech company, or simulation of AI tech in restaurant service. Right, all of you. So this is how you can use AI for generating lesson plan. We know that in the beginning of the academic year, you may be creating a lesson plan, right? And how to create a lesson plan? Okay, you have some requirements to create a lesson plan. So just use this tool to create the lesson plan. Okay, whether you are teaching in the classroom or maybe you are teaching in some online, okay, you can use this. So I'm not showing all the things here, but I'll be explaining you because it will take some time for everything here, right, all of you. I'll share these things with you later. What are the various prompts you can use for your lesson plan? Okay, and then you can see here, suppose you want to make a student level, for example, pitch each lesson at the right level of the student in the class. Okay, for that you can use a prompt like this: create a lesson plan for a class of dash ability. Okay, so there are different ability students. Some section A, B, C. A section, they are very good students. B section, average students. C sections, poor students. We should not use every lesson plan for, one single lesson plan for every classroom. Sometimes it may not work. Okay, so in the AI era, we might see such things. Okay, customization of curriculums, lesson plans for the students. Okay, based on the student abilities. Okay, if you want to generate, you have to mention student ability level here, and then what is the concept you want to teach. Then automatically it will create a lesson plan for you. Okay, I'm not going to show this to you practically now. Okay, even if you want to generate, okay, if you want to explain and model and guide learning, you can create a lesson outline with learning intentions, creative activities, and what is the criteria, success criteria for a lesson. That is also can be used. Okay, this is another prompt all of you we can use. So there are different prompts. You have seen how to use the basically how to use the prompts, and the quiz already we have generated a quiz. You can also create a quiz with 5 multiple choice questions that assess students' understanding of dash concept. Okay, so you can generate from ChatGPT, but there are more better tools also there. Okay, so for example, I don't know what type of assessments happens for your mid exams, or half a year, or mid semester. What type of assessments? Anyone please type. Is that short answer questions, or multiple choice questions, or some small short numerical examples? Somebody can type what type of questions generally you'll be framing. Yes, anyone? You can type in the chat. Yeah, just anyone? Neha or Swati Priya, Nurjia, Nazreen, anyone can type what type of assessment for mid-exam. Okay, there are generally you conduct mid-examinations and then end semester examinations, right? Or some kind of assessments. What type of assessments you take? Yeah, just I'm waiting for someone to type something here.
We take midterms, midterms are taken, in which short answer questions are asked.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, Piyush Srivastava. Yeah, excellent. So yeah, short answer questions. 3 questions for 30 marks. Excellent. So you have to create 10 marks questions. Okay. So there are different universities, different colleges use different criteria. So based on that, you should be able to generate best questions. Okay. Remember, ChatGPT is trained not for India. Okay, and it is trained on the content of different universities in the world. Okay, maybe universities in the world like Stanford, MIT. So what type of questions they are using? Okay, so those things also you can, if you go for advanced questions, it might be taking from them also, from India, IITs also. Okay, so there are much open source content is there. That is you actual ChatGPT using that open source content. Okay, and it is generating its new content, innovative. It's not copy content. It's innovative only. Okay, right. And always ensure to check. See, don't just rely on the generated content. We have to see and ensure that the generated content is good, up to the standards, because each university has some quality standard. You need to see that quality standards. Okay, all of you, right? And suppose you want to create an assignment that is challenging for students who have a strong understanding of some concept, but also provide support and scaffolding for students who are struggling with the material. So you can use this. So there are different, generate a list of specific and actionable steps that a student can take to improve their performance in some subject. Suppose someone came for guidance. Okay, they are not doing well. In out of 60 students, 20 students did not score much. Okay, they are not following class. Okay, but you want to, help them and you want to guide them. So now you have to tell them like what are the list of specific actionable steps they should take. So you can use this prompt for that guidance. So for example, you can use this, all of you. Generate a list of specific and actionable steps that a student can take to improve their performance in the subject AI, or you can say machine learning, foundations. This is a subject name, all of you. Okay, then it will be giving you what are the list of specific and actionable steps. So it will be giving you like information such as so you can see strengthen core concepts, revise key ML topics weekly. So what topics to be revised? Master the math behind ML, improve coding and implementation skills, build intuition through hands-on projects, use structured study aids, regular self-assessment, engage with community and mentors, apply concepts to real-world problems, time management and study routine, final preparation. So see, all of you, it is giving you very a good guidance to improve in the subject, and you can use these points and you can add your own, because we have more capabilities than GPT many times. Okay, we our thought process is somewhat different. Okay, so you can add more thought into these actionable steps and you can give them to your student. Okay, whatever the subject you are teaching, so that those students who are scoring less, they can take your guidance. Okay, so this will help you, because sometimes you don't get thought, okay, how to help my student, how to guide my student. This will help you, all of you.